how to log in to Tonkeeper Tone Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Tonkeeper Tone Wallet. For that, make sure you have already created an account on Tonkeeper Wallet. Now to get started, open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device. On the welcome screen, you will see two different options: Create New Wallet and Import Existing Wallet. Select the second option that says Import Existing Wallet. You will be prompted to select one of these options. Select the Existing Wallet option if you have copied the 24 secret recovery words. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this option. Here you will be prompted to enter your recovery phase. This is a series of words that you were given when you first created your Tonkeeper wallet. Carefully enter the words in the correct order. If you have already copied it before, you can just paste it. After entering them, tap on this Continue button at the bottom. It will start the verification process. Once your recovery phase is verified, now you will be prompted to set up a new passcode. After you set up a new passcode, you will be prompted to re-enter the same passcode. Enter the same passcode, and after setting it up, here you will be asked if you want to get the instant notifications or not. If you want to do that, tap on this Enable Notifications at the bottom. If not, tap on that Later option at the top right. Once you do that, you will be logged in and able to access your Tonkeeper wallet. Now you can view your balances and manage your assets. Also ensure to keep your recovery phase secure and never share it with anyone, as it provides full access to your wallet. If in case you want to view your series of words that you are given when you first created your Tonkeeper wallet, then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner from this home page. Within it, select this backup option. Here tap on Show Recovery Phase and tap on Continue at the bottom. After that, you will need to enter the passcode for the security. Once you do so, you will be presented with these words which you will need to enter in the recovery phase. You can copy it by tapping on this copy option at the bottom for the future logins. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.